How to remove image background in Canva without Canva Pro. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from an image with Canva free plan. You don't need to have Canva premium plan to remove image background. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to canva.com. Just log into your Canva account. Now create any design or you can select from predefined designs. For the purpose of this video, I will select YouTube thumbnail design having the size as 1280 by 720. You can choose any design format. On the left side, you will find an option Apps. Just click on it. Now in the search at the top, just enter background eraser. Hit enter, and this is the app that we are going to use. Just click on the app. Now click on choose file and select the image from which you wish to remove the background. I will select the image, click open, and now click on remove background. And now within couple of seconds, the background from the image will be removed. So as you can see, the background image is now removed and the image is now transparent. You can easily do this with Canva free plan. So that is how you can remove image background in Canva without Canva Pro. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.